How to get the prototype skin in Roblox Piggy. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about getting the prototype in Roblox Piggy. For that, you must finish the Keymaster Badge quest, and this quest has multiple steps across 2 chapters. So first of all, you need to get the chip, which is in the mall chapter. So choose the mall map and play in bot mode. Go through the map to the Piggy, jailbreak collaboration area. Go through the lasers to the vault and you will see a prototype Robbie. Touch the prototype to activate it and making it hostile. Use the purple key to unlock the gun. Shoot the prototype or have ZZ stun it, and after stunned, a chip will appear, collect it, and skip the map. After that, select the plant map and play in bot mode. And to unlock the prototype skin, you need to select the map and play in bot mode. Go through the map to the orange and green keycard rooms, unlock both rooms and collect the keys that are not blue. Go to the green room and avoid the bot. Use a key that isn't blue on the blue door inside, and this makes a glitched key. Take it and leave the room. Go back to the green room, find a special chip near a shelf. Go to the orange room, use a glitched key on the 4 pillars to open the pillar in the center, and put the special chip into the computer in the central pillar. The computer will say transfer complete, a teleportation chamber will open, and put the glitched key into the teleportation chamber to start the portal. And the computer will say transfer complete. And you finish the quest and unlock the prototype skin. So if you're playing solo, this quest is hard to do it alone. Playing with friends makes it easier, and if you're in a private server, you can use it so other players don't bother you. And watch the timer in both chapters. If you run out of time, you'll fail. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.